He's playing a dog.
A broken dog, yeah, with no legs.
You can really tell a classical music student by someone that can make beautiful sounds out of a broken dog. No, please carry on. Good job not looking like a tourist. No, you way around these parts, do you?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a local. Do you need help? So do you need directions?
Very nice.
Yeah, just forgot my skates. So
You forgot your skates.
I'm quite good underground like a place like this.
It's a shame. We can go back.
Could try and use
Yeah, we can go back and get them.
yeah, I mean maybe later.
Another lovely point in Brazil is the cycle path. Check them out.
Fauna and flora. Not to be used by pedestrians.
No, we're just doing a survey. And we're on our way to a vegan cooperative. So, it couldn't get much better.
Just hoping that it's lunch really.
What do you like best about Brazil?
Probably the weather. Yeah.
Just enjoying some free ice cold water on our bus journey. Water that we've just discovered is available 10 minutes before the end of a 16-hour bus journey. So it tastes especially good now.
I'm looking at my own sweat.
Well, Vanessa actually got off the bus to buy some water and then got on 3 different buses.
I was dehydrated, I couldn't think straight.
Yeah.
Ooh, hello.
Very well camouflaged.
We're having our first major upset since Trinidad because we've just done a huge zigzag to come to some beautiful waterfalls, the Iguazu Falls. Supposed to be worth a 16-hour journey.
One of the 7 wonders of the world.
And we gave ourselves a day to see the waterfalls, which is enough. We weren't just being reckless.
No.
So we've got here to a beautiful hostel and casually been told that the park is closed for 2 days.
Or more.
Because there's a puma on the loose.
On the loose.
Puma. It's almost worth it.
Yeah, I mean, it's great.
Really,
It's great.
otherwise we'd be upset.
Yeah, it's a good reason if we're going to miss out.
There's puma.
Yeah, because this one, we're on a timeline because Vanessa has to go and see a guy
In Uruguay.
I like waterfalls potentially more than that guy.
Quite hurtful.
No offence. So I need to decide whether or not I go with her tonight, miss out on the big waterfalls, or stay alone and wait for them to catch a puma, and then see some more waterfalls.
Yeah. So we're going to take you to the Brazilian side of the waterfalls and see how they are.
Yeah.
And then we'll
I'll mull it over.
face this Puma Gate situation. Who thought Puma will tear us apart?
It's always the pumas.
Maybe Robert.
Always.
Puma on the loose though. Here we are at the Brazilian side of Iguazu and the waterfalls are yet to be seen yet, so we're still undecided. No pumas either.
Future. We've all got rabies, but we don't mind anyway. We've got our jabs.
Coming straight for camp. Very busy. School run. A bit early for school to end. Monkey business.
Another beautiful bus journey ahead of us. Thank you. 19 hours from Saint-Germain. Lovely. Yeah, 19 hours from Foz D'Iguazu down to Buenos Aires and then on to Montevideo.
Notice that Cam is still with me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's got a bad part.
So, yeah, Waterfalls were good, but we've downloaded an Eminem album, so I didn't really want to miss out on listening to that. And actually, it's really stunning countryside. Can't really grasp it here, but it's really lovely. So it should be a good leg of the journey. It should be. It should be. Might be better.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.